Audio and sound effects in this video were created using audio.com. Use the link in the description to get 10% off.
Hello everybody, welcome to Filmmaking Today. Boy and Dulabic here. So, are you looking for an all-in-one type of a lens that doesn't break the bank too much? Stay tuned. This is the Sigma 18-50mm f2.8 lens. The lens comes in various mounts. In this case, it's for the Fujifilm system.
Alright, so this is what the lens looks like. The construction is pretty nice. It's obviously some kind of plastic, but it definitely feels nice in the hand. It's got a certain weight to it, so that's good. There's the two rings. This is your focus ring, and it's very smooth, works really well. And obviously this is the zoom ring, and this is how much it extends, which is not bad. I use this on a gimbal all the time, and it's not really an issue. It doesn't extend too much. And here we have, this is a 55mm diameter, and this is what it looks like. The writing is kept to a minimum, and it actually really blends in. You can barely see it. I mean, you can see it, but it does blend in nicely. And then here we have the other side. You've got your, I don't know if this is metal or aluminum, but it's definitely not plastic, so it's nice construction there. And yeah, that's basically it.
Now let's take a look at the sharpness of this lens. Here we are, 400% zoomed in, wide open at 2.8. It is a bit soft in the center. Once you step down to f-stop 4, it does get much sharper. And when you stop down to 5.6, it is extremely sharp and stays that way until f-stop 22, at which point it does get a little bit soft again. When we look at the corners, wide open at 2.8, it's also very soft. And also at f-stop 4, you see a much improved image in terms of sharpness. And again, at 5.6, it is improved significantly. Also stays that way until f-stop 22, at which point it gets a little bit soft again. So to me, it seems that the sweet spot for this lens in terms of sharpness is f-stop 5.6. Now let's take a look at photos taken with this lens. Let's take a look at video taken with this lens. So as you can see, this is a pretty sweet lens. First of all, I'm using it right now to film myself. It's connected to my Fujifilm X-T30. I'm going to do a review of that one at some point as well. So first of all, this is an awesome lens. And now I have been using this one almost on a daily basis at this point for various projects, and it works just, it's great. It's truly an all-in-one. The range, yeah, it's not the greatest. I mean, 18 to 50 mil, sure, not the greatest, but for your, everyday type of projects, it definitely does the job, especially if you're in a pinch and you just need to zoom in a little bit or zoom out, it just works. Initially 2.8, f-stop 2.8, I wasn't sure, okay, is this just fast enough? Because first I bought the 30mm Sigma 30mm f1.4, and that's great as well, and I will do a review of that one as well. But being just a 30mm, I definitely needed something more versatile, so I opted in for this one. But when I did, again, like I thought 2.8, maybe it's not fast enough. However, I really never thought that it's an issue that it's not fast enough, so that's good. The one thing I've noticed, and if you have noticed that too, please let me know in the comments, because I'm curious about this. So there was a lens update, I don't know, not that long ago, and so I updated to the latest version, and ever since that, the autofocus isn't quite as good. So if I'm filming two people talking, it will zoom, or not zoom in, it will, lose focus for a split second and come back. And that I noticed is happening more since I did the update. So if you noticed that as well, please let me know. Just curious if it's just me or if this is just a thing that happened with the update and maybe there'll be another one to patch it soon, stuff like that. So yeah, aside from that, like I said, it's a great versatile lens. I mean, this is obviously not a kit lens. It's in Canada, it's over $500 for this one, so not exactly kit lens range territory, but it kind of is. And given what it is honestly, from my experience, one of the best quote-unquote kit lenses out there. Like I said, having the constant range of 2.8, I think it's perfectly fine. If you obviously need something faster, then go with the 1.4 or whatever it is. But for your everyday type of a situation, especially if it's a run and gun, and that's where I'm at. A lot of times I'm in a run and gun type of a situation. I just don't have time to change lenses or anything like that. It's just boom, pick one, let's go, and then just zoom in, zoom out if needed. And I've used this on a gimbal as well all the time. I use this, like I said, with my Fujifilm X-T30. And I use the Moza Aircross S gimbal, and it works fine. It's not heavy. I even have a little cage on the camera. Again, I'll do a video of that at some point as well. And I haven't had an issue in terms of it being too heavy or anything like that. So it's still a relatively light setup, and even with me zooming in and out, it doesn't extrude too much when you do that as well. So that's that, guys. Like I said, all in all, I think it's a really great lens. If you need a all-in-one type of a situation, this will work just well. So that's it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, tell your friends, all that good stuff, and stay tuned for more. Thanks.
Color grading and film emulation in this video was done using Dehancer Pro. Use promo code FILMMAKING today and get 10% off any of their software. See link in the description.